Moving on to another example for a discussion essay, underwriting skill task 2 for the IELTS examination. Here goes the example. Some people think robots can improve human life in future. While others think robots may affect society in a bad way. So give both your viewpoints and also your opinion at the end. So we have two views. Robots can improve human life and robots may affect society in a bad way. So there are two views altogether. We need to discuss or we need to express our opinion about both the views. Let's begin with the introductory paragraph. Speak about the robots and inventions. And we can also give all the advantages, the recent advantages of robots. Can be mentioned in the first paragraph again. And negative implications also. All this will come in the first paragraph. So that is my introductory paragraph. Moving on to the content. Mention about the benefits of having a robot, because indeed there are millions of blessings of having a robot, right? So they work in so many conditions where human beings find difficulty. So benefits I can mention: replacement of human beings. So some people consider this as a threat to human, because when we have more robots, this is going to lead to unemployment for human beings. But we should understand that there are so many extreme conditions where human beings cannot work. It is highly impossible or highly risky or dangerous for human life to work in such conditions. So such situations we can use human beings. So replacement of human beings, and sometimes, for example, manufacturing to surgery, there's so many work conditions. So we can mention all those. We can give some examples if required. Because the accuracy, the precision, the consistency, which we cannot exactly expect from a human being. Consistency. Human beings tend to get tired. Human beings tend to vary in their performance. Whereas when it comes to a robot, that is not there. The precision, the accuracy, the consistency is always there. So we can mention all those things. And yes, we have so many instances where robots have definitely proven better. They have outperformed human beings, right? So you can mention that also. Expenditure. Expenditure on manpower. So robots can bring down the manpower expenditure because, of course, you need not give allowances, perks, incentives, additional fringe benefits, no bonus, no hike. So it's not required for a robot, right? So the manpower expenditure also comes down. You can mention that it's just that you need maintenance. That is all, and that is the only place that you need to spend, if at all. So comparatively, the expenditure is brought down. So I mentioned this in the second paragraph. I have spoken about improving human life. Now the next paragraph I'm going to talk about the ill effects that it might bring on the society. Technical troubles. There are so many technical problems which would sometimes go out of control and which might have a very bad effect. The aftermath, the end result might be irreversible sometimes or irreparable. So technical difficulties, and because they are after all machines and they can malfunction anytime. So when such things happen, irreparable damage happens. If in case, like how we were discussing about the benefits of robots in medicinal field, when there's an ongoing surgery, and if there is a malfunction, what would happen? Irreversible damage, right? So there are drawbacks. There are chances of malfunctioning also. So a fraction of an error can lead to fatal disasters. Next is the one that we had already discussed, unemployment. Imagine if robots are going to take away all the jobs, all the skilled laborers, everything. So many people, skilled people also will lose opportunity, they will lose, they will become jobless, and a lot of hazardous implications, social implications would happen. So I can mention this in the third paragraph. Then, my conclusion should be, here I am going to give a very diplomatic answer, where I'm going to say that robots are definitely essential for the easiness or the smooth lifestyle of any human being. But I feel that sometimes it might become dangerous if they underperform or overperform. So robots will be needed by human beings, and they are definitely fruitful to our human race if it is being maintained properly. So this is all I would like to say in this essay. So let's quickly go through the essay once again. This is a discussion essay. Some people think robots can improve human life, while others think robots may affect society in a bad way. So give your views and give your opinion also. So robots are scientific inventions, and the recent advantages and the negative implications, all the general introduction about the development in the scientific world with the help of robots can be mentioned in the first paragraph. In the second paragraph, the benefits, the advantages, how they improve human life, how they have replaced human being. There are so many extreme conditions, so many dangerous situations or dangerous places where human beings cannot work, or there are high risk involved. So in such cases, we have robots to replace human being. And another important advantage is the expenditure. There is no extra allowances that we need to give for manpower except for the regular maintenance that is required. So these are the advantages, and moving on to the disadvantages, where we feel robots might affect the society in a bad way. Technical problems. So anytime, any technical issues, they are after all machines. So anytime we might have technical issues, there might be malfunctioning of the robots. So if in case halfway through a surgery or in any manufactured firm, even if a very small trivial technical issue would have a fatal effect. So there are high chances of malfunctioning, and hazardous situation is unemployment. If robots start taking over all the jobs, even skilled people will be jobless. So that is again a disadvantage. Coming to the conclusion, yes, robots are needed, but to a certain extent, yes, we can use it, because robots should not be overperformed, nor should they be underperformed, because it is also going to affect unemployment, and it is important technologically, to be competent in the current scenario. We do need, effective, good robots, and sometimes they also provide fruitful benefits to human beings, but they need to be maintained properly, and they need to be tuned in such a way that they don't underperform or overperform.